VERV stock, Verve Therapeutics Inc. showed strength within a longer-term bearish trend during the last trading session. The session of the 20th of July 2022, it gained 11.21%, but lost 14.23%. And also, this is a stock that has a very high squeeze score according to S3 partners. You can see the short interest is at 37.73%, even though it also decreased by 6%. Now, the news behind this retracement, this 14.23% retracement, is because the company has now indicated after the market closed that it has launched a $200 million share offering. Okay, that's what folks at MT News are saying here. It says Verve Therapeutics said Wednesday it has started an underwritten public offering of $200 million with an additional 15% of the shares available for possible allotments, or rather over allotments. JP Morgan, Jefferies, Guggenheim Securities, and William Blair are joint book runners. So yes, that was the news. That's definitely the news behind that 14% retracement. But also before that time, there was this other news that it is collaborating with Vertex Pharma. Okay, that's it here. As also when the market closed, that was when that news came out. I believe. Yes, that was when that news came out. Let's see what they're saying there. Let's get that. Okay, Vertex and Verve Therapeutics announced an exclusive 4-year global research collaboration focused on discovering and developing an in vivo gene editing program for a single undisclosed liver disease. Verve will advance the discovery, research, and certain preclinical development on a novel in vivo gene editing program for the target of interest, with all program costs funded by Vertex. Vertex will be responsible for subsequent development, manufacturing, and commercialization of any program stemming from Verve's research effort. Verve will receive an upfront payment of $60 million, including $35 million equity investment in Verve. Verve is also eligible to receive up to $66 million in success payments, up to $34 million in development and commercial milestones, and tiered royalties on future net sales for any product that may result from this collaboration. Yes, that was the news. And going by what we have seen, okay, let's look at that chart. Let's see the chart for the stock. You can see that this is why it is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. This is the 200-day moving average, so it underscores what the underlying trend is, and you can see that the stock is above it. You can see it started to spike. When did it start to spike? Sometime in this one, sometime last month. As a matter of fact, from the 16th of June, it has continued to spike and relentlessly hasn't fallen below any of its moving averages. There were occasions where it retraced, cooled off, but never below any moving average. So very, very strong bullish indications, and they have all been constantly being confirmed. As a matter of fact, since the 18th of July, it has continued to extend. Apart from in the regular session, it has closed above the previous prices. Yes, indeed above. Even though it has retraced in this pre-market session or the post-market session, yeah, that record is still intact. It has, since the 18th of July, it hasn't closed lower. So given all of those things, we can see what's going on the option speed. Okay, the volume for that last trading session was 3.279 million shares, but we can see market participants are pricing a move to $50. You can see, going by this $50 calls for the 19th of August, it gained 650%. That is an indication that that is where they are looking at the moment. Yes, that's an indication. There's also $45 as well. Yes, but so far the biggest of them all is that $50 calls for the 19th of August. So they are expecting that before that time, before 19th of August, VERV or Verve Therapeutics may have reached $50. So given all of those things, and given all that has happened, or given what happened in the last trading session, we were able to determine a target of a modest target of $32.76. Okay, so it's, in other words, we are saying that it's likely to rebound, but it doesn't. It's not. Yes, it's likely to rebound, even though it's not going to take it. That target is not going to take it above 35.91. But indeed, it could always be that. That may also always be the case. But in any case, we have also plotted another grid here. This is based on the price it had as of early November, above its 50-day moving average. We plotted it down there, and it also covers the $50 targets that the market participants, option traders, are pricing. So given all of that, we can see various projections. This is a retracement grid. So what the supports are what we are looking at right now. They are also, these supports are equally resistances. Since it is rising, they are resistances. So the next target is 38.37. So but it has risen above. Right now it is below this one, 33.18. So this is pretty much in line with what we have been able to estimate. But the other supports are 27.98, 21.49. So the news that came out was a mix of things. They are very, very good. They're going to collaborate with Vertex, and there's money coming in upfront and all that stuff. And Verve seems to be a credible and a potent research outfit, therapeutics research outfit. So if not, they wouldn't have gone into that collaboration. So there's skepticism towards the stock. You can see that there. This 37.73%. This is what you want to see: a combination of the good, the positives, and the apprehensions and the skepticism. Yes, they will mix up things and deliver the upward move you want. So Verve Therapeutics seems to have it going for it. Good short interest, good skepticism towards its endeavor, and right now it has continued to defy them, even though it's retraced slightly. And that retracement, I believe, is just because of the offering the share offering they have put out there. So our target is 32.76, but the projections are all the way up to $55.25. Okay, so see what you make of VERV stock. Strongly bullish, skepticism also around it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.